Hi everybody!
Today we're going to make Halloween charms!
Hey! I love Halloween charms and we are going to use this special clay that you have to cook.
Yes.
Well, I'm going to start from an orange circle and look, we've got lots of colors here. What are you doing, Mela?
I'm going to do a little ghost cat.
You're going to make a ghost cat. Excellent. So you're starting with the white one. Let's start from a circle as always. You can actually watch our previous videos how to make donuts. So I'm following exactly the same pattern. And Mela, you're making a circle and a little
tail.
Well, I'll need to help you. Just give me a sec. We'll make this little hole for donut.
I don't really know how to do this.
Well, you simply use your fingers and make it into a little drop and then little ears. Here you go. You have to try and finish it up.
Okay, let's just finish up the ears and the little tail.
Excellent. Let's have a look. Whee!
Now I'm going to do the little cat paws.
Oh, you're going to make paws?
Yes.
How do you make paws? Can you show us?
Yes, you just need to do them like leaves.
Like that? Okay.
Just need to be like leaves, actually. Just they're going to be white. They're not going to be actual leaves. They will be little cat paws.
Excellent. And I'm going to make, you can put them there. And I'm going to make icing for my donut. I'll put it on the top. I'm going to use this nice cream colored clay and some
glitter. Okay,
Alex. You just add some glitter in the middle of your clay
and then you need to roll it up so it gets all mixed up.
Well, you have to make it soft and nice.
Yes, and also like mix up the glitter.
Yes. Oh, I love your paws. They're nice and really, really soft. I can see them.
Yes. It looks
really
like a
bendy.
little princess.
Princess cat. Lovely. Well, let's roll my glitter dough. And here you go.
There's a sparkle.
Yes. My icing is almost done. It doesn't need to be perfect. And then just take your tool. Just give me a sec.
And then you put the hole in the middle.
Just poke a hole in the middle. That's it. What are you making now?
The eyes.
Ooh, you're using the black one, yes? Black dough.
Yes, because if I use white, you won't see.
Okay. So you basically roll little dots and you just put them there.
Yeah, you need to think first where you want to put them first. And you need to put them nicely.
I will make some eyes as well. I'll follow you. Just roll little dots.
See, because even if it doesn't really it does come off good, but it doesn't really like.
I will put mine here. Carry on.
Okay, I don't know what to say.
Well, they look really nice. Look, first of all, they don't need to be too big. What's next?
Next, I'm going to do the little cat mouth.
Excellent. And the nose, I think, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so you start from rolling a little snake out of a dough, clay or whatever, and then using your tool, you add these little tiny bits. Okay.
Yes, they're really hard to put on.
Well, you're doing a great job. Well done.
Thanks.
Here we go. And
ta-da!
That looks lovely. I'm going to do the same, except I'm going to use these worms made out of clay and just put around the actual hole. And it looks like
whiskers.
Oh, but look, it's saying, "Oh, help me! They're going to eat me!" Oh. So here we go. And now we're going to add some detail because it's a pumpkin, what it's supposed to be. So it looks like hair, actually.
Yes.
And I'm using a bit of green clay and just tap, a bit of detail. Looks
But
like
it
leaves.
it needs to look like an actual leaf.
Here you go. It's almost finished. And let me fix this little eye.
Because it came off, it wanted to run away from the prison.
What are you doing? You're adding some glitters as well. You want yours with glitters.
Yeah,
Shiny cat. Lovely.
because all ghosts are like shiny, so.
Yes, you're just using different technique. You're just literally with a brush putting some glitters on top of your
Yes.
cat, which is
Because
good.
I don't want to like roll it.
And now we need to put a little pin here.
Wait, don't we put that on?
Yes, well, just straight in the middle. Obviously, you will need
yeah.
to, once you cook your charm, you will need to put some glue and then attach it much better.
Yeah, this
We are
is how
just
we
showing
do the hole.
exactly,
This is how
just
we
making
do, like,
the hole. There you go.
So you can take it out really easily. So
Excellent. And now it's time for cooking. You remember, have to prepare them really well. You have to put something at the bottom so they don't get stuck. And then you have to create this little hat out of just general foil. And
you need to fold up the edges so it's the perfect size for
yes,
it.
just
and
cover
yeah.
it nicely and put in the oven for 150 degrees for half an hour. Here we go.
Oh, it's hot.
And now they're ready. Once your charms are cooked, don't forget to put some nice varnish to make them look sparkly and shiny. And they are ready to go.
Don't forget to subscribe to this video and make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to watch all our videos of Harry Potter. Goodbye!